Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do some hair today. I've already got my makeup on. We're not doing makeup. We're doing hair. So if you have baby fine hair, like mine, yeah, like mine, just come on with me. And even if you don't, you may love these products as well. So come on, let's go do it. Okay, this is third day hair. I have not washed my hair in 3 days, and that's what this looks like. Now, yes, my hair is colored, and I'm getting it cut and colored next week, but I've got some grays up through here too. But let me just say, I love a good hairpiece. And I'm not talking about a wig. I'm just talking about something like this. This is what we're going to use today. This is one of my favorites. This is by Goo Goo hair. Love me some Goo Goo hair, okay? And this is real Remy hair. And all I've done, I have washed this and hung it up. It dried. And I haven't even curled it. And look, it's still got a pretty wave in it. So I could wear it just like this. Because when I do, I don't like to put a lot of hairspray on it. So if I wear this a few times, whatever, and then I will curl it with a curling iron. So it has a little ringlet like things. So you do you. You know what I'm saying? You do you. I can't remember how long. This one's pretty long. Probably 17, 16 inches maybe. I'm not really sure. But this is one of my favorites. And see, it's pretty good close to my hair color. So we're just going to work with it today, okay? And at the end, I get so excited because of the way it looks. And it just brings that youthful glow back into my face for some reason. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so a couple of items that you're going to need. You're going to need a pick, which is my pick I've had for 20 years. Does it look like it's 20 years? And then I have a comb. And then you will need some bobby pins. I will need some bobby pins because my hair is still pretty short and it's very, very thin. So this is the reason I like to play around with hair, just because it's fun. And it gives me a totally different look. And I just love it. And I wish it was the kind of hair I could have, had all my life. But mine was a lot thicker than it is now. Hypothyroidism, a lot of y'all may have that. So keep that in mind, because changes like that make your hair go flat. So that's what's happened to mine. And I'm lucky enough now that I have let my bangs grow out. These are my bangs now, and I really do like the bangs longer. So let's get going, girlfriends. The first thing I do like to do is take some of these. These Velcro rollers are so nice, and this is going to get your hair up out of the way. Plus, when you bring it back down, take these out, you just may have a little bit more extra fluff. For my hair, it's so baby fine that it's a pain in the butt to really have to deal with. But this is going to help so that we can get the extensions in correctly. Okay, got the hair up. I don't need to be hanging down. And I can take these right here, and we'll just do the same thing with these. We'll just go ahead and take my bangs and just pull them all the way up. So these are not in everything else, okay? And it's going to make it so much easier for you to do your hair. Plus, there's a little trick too. If your hair's long enough, because what we're going to do is I'm going to cut right through here, and I'm going to take up the hair that doesn't need to be there. Okay, and guess what? This is Velcro. You can just attach it to it. Now, this is where we're going. We're going to add the clips around here. So, that's a good little trick for you to learn. I know, it's kind of weird, but it does work. Okay, so this is going to be simple, right? I am going to kind of spray just a little bit of my hair, my bio hair up there. And what we're going to do, what I like to do, you don't have to. It depends on the thickness of your hair. But my hair is so baby, look, I don't have a whole lot of hair. So I like to spray this part right through here, and right in the back. And that is where I'm going to take these wonderful clips. These are all open. And when you get this, it's going to have, see this right here? You can use a little wire band. It's a clear band. It's not wire. It's like a stretchy band, but sometimes those are just too much for my head. It just feels like it pulls it down and it hurts, kind of, sort of. And I did that for a long time, but I took that off because that's what this is right here. So here's all my clips. That's what we're going to use. So basically, I like to do it a couple of times because it stiffens it up and it will attach better for me for some reason. So let me let this dry real quick. You don't have to wait long. So take it and turn it like this. Now, I don't know if this is going to match my real true hair, but I'm going to try to make it work, okay? See what I'm doing? I close my eyes. I don't know why, and I clip it in. And see, these are really flat, really nicely done. And so now, look what we got. I love it. Why couldn't I have hair like this for real? See, here's my hair. This is my hair. And this is the other hair. But it's going to be so cute and easy. You're going to love this. So I'll let this kind of stay just for a few minutes and let it settle. And then I come back and we are going to use, let me show you, we are going to use some of these. These are the best things that you can get. Walmart has these. It just depends on, it has different colors. And I just usually get the neutral colors, because it goes with my hair better. And you're definitely going to have some hairspray. And whatever kind you like. I love Big Sexy Spray and Play Harder. That's the one that I use the most. And you're going to need the wonderful bobby pins. Bobby pins, yes. You're going to need some bobby pins. Just in case. You might have to. And in the back, I will have to use them because my hair is not quite as long as I want it to be. And sometimes I have to do kind of shove that up in there to keep it where it needs to be. Let's get going. Now we're going to take my bio hair up here, and we're going to pull it down over this. Okay, that's how this works, people. It's going to cover that up. I know you're sitting there going, how's she going to do that? Well, this is how you do it. You just take your hair and bring it back down, and it's going to cover right here where you need it. And you're going to do the same thing in the back. And that's the reason I like to use these, because these are really easy to take out. You're not having to use a bunch of clips. And they're just fabulous. They are. And these are really nice because these have a metal in them. So if you wanted to wash your hair, however, and you can put those up in it, you can blow it dry, and it'll give you a really nice lift. But I already got a really nice lift right now because this is third day hair. It's got hairspray already in it, so I don't need really to add any more hairspray to it. But you're going to I usually like to take either my comb or my pick, probably my pick, and go ahead and separate. Now, part it whichever way you want to. Since I blew my hair dry this way, I'm going to go this direction, which means I'm going to take this and bring it around here to make a ponytail. So make sure, and I'll have to go in the bathroom in order to see the back of my head because it's just too hard where I'm sitting, but I can't do this in the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? I can't. The lighting sucks, and this is where I like to be when I'm doing my videos. So here's what I do. Just take a little spray on the top. And I love to give a little bit of a lift, because I'm an 80s girl. We always like big hair. It's true. How old are y'all? I'm 63 right now. Darn it. Life is going, I could just wear it like this. Lord, that's cute too. Hey, look I like it because my bangs are longer. When my bangs were shorter, I didn't like that. So, okay, this is what we're doing. Remember, we've got to grab our bio hair back here underneath, pull it around. This one is so soft. Now, when I wear these, I don't feel it tugging or anything up here, which is good. Because that's what we need. Now, I don't know which one of these I want to use. Should I use the dark brown one or the lighter one. I don't know. This is more like my hair color. See, it is my hair. It's attached to my head. And just take it. And I know I have to close my eyes. You probably will too. I don't know why I do that, but nonetheless, it works. See, look. How cute is that? Now, yeah, we've got to bring some stuff to, frame your face down. So bring a little bit of your real hair down. And if yours is a little longer, you could curl it or do whatever you want to. I'm strictly just going to kind of stick with what I got today. I'm not going to do anything else. Now, the one thing that you will want to do is make sure, like over here, see some of that hair I need to have some bobby pins in it. So I'm going to put one right here where my ear is. Push it up. And try to make sure, and this is one thing you need to, try to make sure you grab your bio hair under here. See, that's my real hair. And pull it so it tightens up back here in the back, because you don't want it to bunch up. You don't want it to bunch up. That's the key. Now, I am going to put some bobby pins like right back here. Right back here in the very back. Push it straight up, and no one will know. No one will know. Only you will know. Because I have worn this a few times, and people come up and tell you, your hair's so cute. Thank you. Well, it is technically my hair because it's attached to my head, right? That's the way I see it. But it's also helping me not to have to wash my hair every single day, because if I use a lot of product in my hair, it's just awful. It just is. Now, you want to frame your face with some of your real hair, and make sure you're combing over, because you don't want to see those clips. You see what I'm saying? Because there's one of the clips right there. And so I have to make sure that that's going to stay. So this is when I spray just a little and let that kind of settle, because you don't want to see that. You see? Does this not look like my hair? I mean, it is my hair. It's attached to my head. But it's called fun hair. My husband loves it when I play around with my hair a little bit and try to change. I don't like looking the same. You might not either. And sometimes when you get older, you just want to have that feeling of, wow, I'm still got it. I'm still walking around. And it's a wonder that I'm even here, honestly. I had a car wreck a few years ago, and I wound up having to get a pacemaker. So Melissa walks around with a pacemaker, and I don't even really know that I have it. It's right here. There's a little scar right there. It hasn't had to really work that much for me, and I don't know. I don't know what happened that day. I don't know if it was blood sugar. They don't know either. And it's like, you got to have a pacemaker or you're not going to be able to drive. So there you go. And right now, I think that's been a few years ago. Right now, I think I'm still good as far as how long before they have to replace the battery in it. It's crazy, I know. But see how this does? Now, I do love to just let it settle. And this is when I'll go to the bathroom. And I will turn around and look and hold my mirror up so that I can see the back of my head. So that's what I'm going to go do, and make sure everything is, that you can't see the clips back there, number one. And because my hair is still growing out. Now, and they have different sizes of these. You don't have to get one this long. They don't. I'm just showing you this one because I love these. And they look so natural. And look at this. It looks just like it's part of my hair, doesn't it? I love it. So let me go check the back and get that fixed, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And girlfriends, we're done. We are ready to head out the door, and whatever's going to happen today happens, right? Let me scoot back. See how cute it is? I just love it. It gives you a whole new attitude when you have something that you really love and you look at it and you go, yes, it actually works. Yay. Now it comes in a lot of different shades, so you can choose you. I just think hands down, I've been wearing these for years. And today I just thought, you know what? I'm going to bring back a little bit of my youth. At 63, I can do that, right? Yes, I can. All right. Thank you, guys. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. So if you have something you would love for me to do for you, please put it in the comments, and I will try to do a tutorial just for you and your needs. All right. I will see y'all next Sunday. See you then.